Welcome to 5610 Bellevue. It's a brand new build here in Bird Rock community, very sought after. A couple blocks from the local elementary school, just a few blocks down the street to the beautiful ocean, the boutiques, the shops, the restaurants. This is ground up, new construction, nothing was salvaged from before. All high-end finishes, Du Chateau hardwood flooring, Taj Mahal Quartzite countertops and backsplashes, Viking, Sub-Zero and Miele appliances. But I don't really want to talk about the specs. The main selling point of this property is the fact that it's on an elevated corner lot, oversized scale, where you have tremendous indoor-outdoor space. You've got more outdoor, beautifully hardscaped. With this slate tile, you have more outdoor space on this lot than you would on the majority of the lots in this area. The interior lots being more narrow railroad, as I call them. You just don't have the same utility as far as outdoor space, while still having a generous size living space. I always preach it. You can change the house, you cannot change the lot. You do not find corner lots like this. Oversized, they rarely come up. And then to have a build of this caliber, that's again brand new, ground up. From a structural standpoint, it's just very well built. And then the location's just unbeatable.